Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to make a pen stand. It can be used as a pen stand also, or else we can use it as a gift box also. So one I have already made, I will just show how to make it. For this all we require is now just to start with, I am choosing a yellow color sheet and just wrap it around to cover the complete box. I have cut this and this remaining part I will just use to cover the bottom of the box. So now I will just stick it with the help of the glue. Now once the pasting is done to decorate, I will be using a quilling needle for the decoration to make the flower like this, or I can make the leaves also. So starting with covering the joint, so I am using the green color. I'll just take the measurement, so it is around 11. So I have marked the strips with the pencil. I'll just cut it down. So once the strips are cut, I'll just paste it on the four sides. As you can see, I have covered this box with the strips at 4 places. Now what I'll do is, I'll just make the flowers of this shape with the help of a quilling needle. So I'll just make strips of half inch. For making a single flower, 5 such strips are required. So I have cut the strips of different colors. Now I'll just show how to quill the strip. Just take a strip and put it between the space. So just keep rolling. Leave it free. Just make shape of a flower. So I'll just paste it on. Similarly, for making the single flower, 5 such petals are required. Now I'll show a different shape. Using the quilling needle, I have made some flowers, so I'll just show how to assemble it. We can use different colors for making the flowers. So assembling can be done in this way. So this is how it can be assembled. I'll just paste it on. I have assembled all the flowers, so I have decorated it also. So this is now the finally how it looks like. It can be used as a pen stand also, or we can use it as a gift box also by covering it. So these are the 2 gift boxes or pen stands that I have made. So I have used my own ideas. You can create similar boxes with your ideas. So if you like it, just subscribe and don't forget to share. I'll come up with more videos sharing more creative ideas. Thank you so much.